recipe scraping process. What's the business? As we can see, there is a site that we can see in the left side. In this particular website, user searches for a particular fruit or vegetable using the search bar. Then, as a step 2, when he is displayed with the search result, he will pick the top few recipes and proceed further. As we can see, the part which is highlighted is a list of recipes. Then what he will do is, for each recipe available, he will try to get the ingredients and the procedure to prepare it. That is the business process for us right now. Then let's quickly have a demo on that. I already have the project built. Let me run it once. See here, we are asking for the type of recipe. It should be of fruits. Then, okay, we have selected fruits. Then, I want the fruit banana. I want to fetch the recipes related to banana. Okay. We are launching the website. Everything is being done by the robot. So it is trying to fetch the recipes related to banana. Page is still loading. Once that is done, we are going. So for the simplicity of the process, we are picking only one recipe and we are trying to fetch the details of banana cookies, how to make the banana cookie. We are trying to scrape this part and this part of this particular page. Data scraping might take some time. Here are the results. The top details will contain the ingredients and the below thing will contain the method used. Let's start with using an electric mixer, and here are the other steps. Good.